To delete stories on Snapchat, first open Snapchat and tap your profile icon at the top left. Then, under My Stories, tap My Story to open it, and go to the exact snap you want to remove. Because Snapchat says you have to delete each snap individually if you want the whole story gone. Then press and hold on that snap and tap Delete Snap. And repeat that for any other snaps still in the story until the story is fully removed. And that is the fastest way to delete your Snapchat story right now. And according to Snapchat support, they will attempt to remove the deleted snap from their servers and friends' devices, although in some cases it can still appear briefly if someone has a weak connection or an older app version. Subscribe for more quick iPhone and app tutorials, like the video, and comment what tutorial you want next.